Everybody says the Lexus NX is just a fancy Toyota RAV4, and honestly, that's not completely wrong. But the real question is this: if these two SUVs share so much underneath, why would anyone spend thousands more on the Lexus? And after looking at the specs, the answer is actually a lot more interesting than just because it's a Lexus. First, let's get one thing straight. The title is a hook, but these are not literally the exact same car. The Lexus NX is related to the RAV4 and shares the same basic GAK or TNGAK architecture, but Lexus has said the NX was reinforced and tuned differently. So this is really a story of shared bones, different mission. The RAV4 is built to win on value and practicality. The NX is built to take that same basic formula and make it feel more expensive, more refined, and more premium. And that brings us to the big question: how much more are you really paying? A 2026 Toyota RAV4 starts at $31,900, while the 2026 Lexus NX Hybrid starts at $46,470. So right away, you're looking at roughly a $14,500 gap before you even start adding options. That is a huge jump, and it's exactly why this comparison matters. Because if the driving experience and the daily ownership experience don't feel dramatically better, then the RAV4 starts looking like the smarter buy. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The 2026 RAV4 is now an electrified lineup, with either a hybrid or a plug-in hybrid setup. The regular hybrid makes 226 horsepower in front-wheel drive or 236 horsepower in all-wheel drive. The plug-in hybrid jumps all the way to 324 horsepower with a manufacturer-estimated 52-mile electric range. On the Lexus side, the NX350H makes 240 combined horsepower and is rated at 39 miles per gallon combined in all-wheel drive or 40 miles per gallon combined in front-wheel drive. The NX450-H plus plug-in hybrid makes 304 combined horsepower and delivers an EPA estimated 37 miles of electric range with 84 miles per electric gallon. So if you're comparing hybrid to hybrid, the Lexus doesn't suddenly blow the Toyota away. And if you compare plug-in to plug-in, the RAV4 actually looks incredibly strong on paper. So if the Toyota already gives you strong performance, hybrid efficiency, and modern engineering, what is Lexus charging extra for? This is where the NX starts to make sense. The NX gives you the more upscale presentation, the more premium image, and the nicer environment every single time you get inside. Lexus markets the NX with features like an available 14-inch touchscreen, a more refined interior layout, and available thematic ambient illumination. That's the key. The Lexus is not trying to be radically more practical, it's trying to feel more special. But here's why the NX has a real problem. The new RAV4 is no longer some cheap, outdated alternative. The 2026 RAV4 already gives you a standard 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, a standard 10.5-inch touchscreen, and an available 12.9-inch screen. It also offers features like advanced park on higher trims, so the Toyota is no longer giving up as much tech as people expect. That makes the Lexus badge harder to justify for buyers who mostly care about getting the most for their money. So here's the simple answer. If you want the smartest buy, the best value, and a vehicle that already gives you modern tech, strong hybrid performance, and everyday practicality, the RAV4 is the one that makes the most sense. But if you care about the cabin feeling richer, the design feeling more premium, and the overall experience feeling more upscale every time you drive it, that's where the Lexus NX earns its price. So, is the Lexus NX basically a fancy RAV4? In some ways, yes. They absolutely share DNA, but the NX is what happens when Toyota's proven compact SUV formula gets dressed up for luxury buyers. The real takeaway is this: you're not paying more because the NX is a completely different machine. You're paying more because Lexus is selling you a nicer version of a formula that the RAV4 already does extremely well. And for a lot of people, that means the RAV4 is the smarter purchase, while the NX is the emotional one.